In today's video, we will dive into a detailed comparison of two popular massage guns from Bob and Brad: the C2 massage gun and the Q2 Pro mini massage gun. Both products are designed to provide deep tissue relief, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer. When it comes to pricing, the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun is priced at $109 US, while the Q2 Pro mini massage gun offers a more budget-friendly option at $89 US. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize. The Bob and Brad C2 massage gun comes equipped with 5 different speeds and 5 interchangeable heads, making it versatile for various muscle groups. On the other hand, the Q2 Pro mini massage gun stands out with its unique heat and cold functionality, allowing users to customize their massage experience further. Both products cater to different needs, so it's essential to consider which features are more beneficial for you. The Bob and Brad C2 massage gun is designed with professional athletes in mind, providing powerful percussion for deep tissue relief. In contrast, the Q2 Pro mini massage gun is ultra-small and quiet, making it perfect for on-the-go use without disturbing others. Depending on your lifestyle, one may suit your needs better than the other. In conclusion, both the Bob and Brad C2 and Q2 Pro mini massage guns offer unique features catering to different preferences. Whether you prioritize power and versatility or portability and quiet operation, both products can enhance your muscle recovery experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.